time before I go, I'll let you know that all this time I've been afraid, wouldn't let it show. Nobody can save me now. Nobody can save me now. Stars are only visible in darkness. Fear is ever changing and evolving. And I feel poison inside. But I feel so time before I go, I'll let you know that all this time I've been afraid, wouldn't let it show. Nobody can save me now. Nobody can save me now. mexicano bandido, todo el barrio prendido, siempre ando bien cuido, siempre poniendo ruido. Mexicanos al grito de guerra, yo defiendo mi tierra, no me dejo de nadie, yo cuido a los míos, mi raza se aferra. Soy mexicano, esa es mi bandera, yo la levanto por donde quiera, verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera, el barrio prendido ya quemo afuera. Soy mexicano, esa es mi bandera, yo la levanto por donde quiera, verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera, el barrio prendido ya quemo afuera. Me voy tendido, me voy empinando mi bote, un poco mareado por la bebida y el borlote, me tiene hasta la riata la gente con su mitote, pero me despreocupo, me pelan todo el garrote, me para la chota ya es por mi apariencia, de tantos delitos que hay tanta demencia, yo no cargo nada, no pa' mi presencia, pinche puerco joto atente a las consecuencias, si no topa el boy en breve nos para en la calle, no puede salir uno conmigo porque ya hay detalle.
For over 50 years, the WWE Championship has stood as the premier championship in professional wrestling, and tonight we may see a new chapter in its storied history.
Both champion and challenger are motivated by the biggest prize of them all. The man who lays claim to that title can call himself the very best competitor in this industry.
Tagging this outside. This could be good. He deflects it right back.
It's cinched in. This could be over. This won't win the match, but it's what we're going to free the arm and does just that. Just a few steps away from victory now. I think it's going to happen.
Victory is within his grasp now. Just has to finish the job.
Hey, when you have the opening, let's go for it.
Strong impact.
Elbow right to the knee. Round and round. Nothing's going to stop it.
Turning the tables. Springboard moonsault. Headlock elbow drop.
matches are unpredictable. We all know that. But if you can pick your spots and prepare for the fact that you're going to endure punishment, you should be able to survive and hopefully come out on top.
Being carried around with ease. Oh my God, right over the top and hit hard. Broken clothesline. The challenger eating up some damage. Oh my God. Oh, you kidding me. Back of his neck. Getting a ladder in position now. Smack dab in the center of the ring too, Cole.
Nice hip toss.
He's turning the tables.
Reciprocating the initial reversal. He went right into that turnbuckle.
Steered clear of that. Compromised position here. Down on the windpipe. I missed you. I wanted to knee you in the face again. Look out! Counter. And now there's an opening. Oh, with authority. Look at this. That ladder is positioned perfectly. For the victory. Got a hold of it.
Yeah, let's see how long that lasts.
It's a bit of a risky move right here. Big time. Ooh. But he's still got to climb the ladder. That's the only way this match ends. Tombstone and right. Well, look now that that ladder is lined up perfectly. Showtime. Can he unhook it? Questionable timing of this move, Cole. Oh my gosh, what impact. Man, that was a hard landing. Carefully placed stop to the arm. Snap suplex, very effective. Looks to me like that ladder's positioned perfectly in the center of the ring. Now you just got to climb. Big knee to the midsection. The challenger is not in a great place.
Yeah, but you got to pick the time to climb the ladder wisely, or it could backfire.
Making the climb here, maybe looking to end this thing right now.
Oh, we go. Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
He foiled that attempt. Spiked. Oh, it's not gonna... Evades their offense. Here we go. DDT. Spiked. Getting set up for something in the corner. Look at this, going right after the left arm. Gotta hurt. Oh my gosh! Spinebuster. Heads out and he has all the time he wants.
And he's going with the great equalizer here, this steel chair.
He better work quickly here.
No time to waste. Gotta get it done now.
Down with a powerbomb. Clothesline. Look at this. Jarring impact. The challenger is not in a great place.
After lasting this long in a triple threat, it'd be a shame to take a nosedive now. Uses an elbow to that attack.
Long way up in the electric chair.
glazed over.
Kick from behind. Ouch. Not so fast. Hurricane Rana.
Good grief.
He's ejected from the ring.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Schoolboy, no, rolls through.
Super kick. Comes back into the ring.
Big opportunity here, guys. This could be it.
Turning point. Could be just seconds from victory.
Closer even. Reaching for it's one thing, though, Cole. Pulling it down, totally different. Takes another trip to the skies, and it pays off once again.
There they go.
What? Thanks for coming. He gets out of the way. Caught with a punch. Boot to the stomach gives them separation.
He climbs into the ring.
Nicely done. Snap suplex. So quick.
Raw drop kick.
Oh, my God.
And out of the ring he goes.
Plasma crush. Inverted.
Set right out of the ring. And what a maneuver we just saw there. The challenger being outclassed here.
And he has just taken an extraordinary amount of abuse. Look at the snatch of victory here, guys. I think it's good. Oh, my God. Hanging on for dear life. No letting go now.
Taking this one back to the ring now. Byron, looks like that ladder is perfectly placed.
Hey, you can't ask for a much better spot than that.
Uh-oh.
Elbow to the face will stop you cold. Big overhand.
And just like that, he sent crashing to the floor.
Looks like that ladder set up perfectly in the center of the ring. Incoming!
And out of the ring he goes. He's taking this to the floor now. Possibility for serious injury just went way up.
These superstars are starting to get very imaginative right now. You have to think someone's looking at that stage and getting some dark thoughts. Letting his opponent know respect is earned, and he's still $1 short.
These superstars are showing no concern for their own well-being. All that matters to them right now is doing as much damage to one another as possible.
Rolling elbow right on the mark. Moved at the... Turn out the lights. The party's over. We can have a new champion.
There's not a single person sitting in this arena.
It's pandemonium, Cole. He's burying elbows.
He's got him scouted.
Could be what he needed to ignite a rally.
He just isn't being given any room to recuperate.
Yeah, he has to pull out some form of offense here.
And I think we all know nothing good comes of fighting on the stage.
Case in point, nothing good happening right now.
Catches the kick.
Super kick! He's burying elbows in the midsection. Super kick! Good night.
Intensity and anger boiling over, all coming to a head up on the stage.
As we can only see, it's only getting worse by the second, Michael.
Discus lariat. That was nasty.
This is a pretty dangerous place to fight. Screens, exposed metal, ledges, so much could go wrong very quickly.
Forks the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection.
From behind.
A German suplex.
Plenty of ways to get creative. Up on the entrance area.
Also plenty of ways to get yourself seriously hurt.
See the walls come down here. This is out of control.
I don't like the looks of this.
I don't either, Corey, not one bit. The backstage area is no place to settle your differences. Jeez.
Oof. Uh-oh. Fighting back with a counter.
What a headbutt.
Vicious. Big forearm.
Good defense.
Rolling thunder into the face breaker.
Oh, man.
What kind of headspace do you need to be successful in a no disqualification match?
A ruthless one, Cole. You can't show any remorse about going after your opponent full force. Anytime you waste second-guessing yourself is time for your opponent to get their hands on a weapon.
Oh, flipping the script on him there. Oh, a rear super kick.
From behind, nasty.
Put it in position now.
Through the table, through the table. Good night. Oh, God.
He manages to escape it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my.
Oh, man.
Dodges out of the way.
Oh.
He avoids the damage.
Oh, God.
And that one misses the mark. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, my gosh, what impact.
Oh, strong impact.
Whoa, not quite yet.
Oh, what impact.
Oh, and that buys some time.
Boom!
Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now. He's climbing up that long ladder. Where's he going?
He must have something planned as he climbs that long ladder. Well, he did all his work getting up there. I hope he has a plan.
Not sure if he's trying to escape or take this fight into a new and dangerous direction. Oh, man. My goodness, hitting so hard that the bolts just bursted off the railing. Oh, basement drop kick.
No room for error when you're surrounded by all this steel and concrete.
Oh, look at this. What a headbutt.
Not the position you want to be in right now.
Down across the knee. That breaks your shoulder. That'll divorce it.
Able to counter. Uh-oh.
The arms are hooked. Tiger suplex.
Guys, we are a long way from your standard wrestling match here. This has just turned into a damn fight.
Toss. Oh, knee right to the jaw.
Good night.
One after another. And look, these competitors warned us that someone was going to get hurt tonight, but no one thought it would mean this.
If they were looking for a place to inflict maximum damage, then... Oh, you're kidding me!
My gosh!
Get this under control!
Returning to the ring now. Carefully setting it up right in the center of the ring.
Oh, boy. Perfect placement.
Head scissors.
Round and round we go.
Head scissor. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. What a forearm. He's been placed in the corner now. Gotta hurt.
Hard to grab or apply a proper hold after a move like that.
Heading up the ladder now.
This could be the beginning of the end.
He's latching onto it.
I don't know about you guys, but this looks like quite a gamble to take at this point in the match.
I agree with you, Corey.
Oh, my God. Making the climb here. Maybe looking to end this thing right now.
Oh, we go. And they're taking the fight to the sky.
This is insane.
That may have been an act of desperation right there, guys.
Oh, no doubt about it.
Reaching out, looking to get the win.
Going for it all. Interesting timing, to say the least. Look at this. That ladder is positioned perfectly.
For the victory. And now he's continuing the fight up top. The fight continues around the ring.
This is dangerous.
Hey, he can win it here.
Perhaps some wishful thinking going on there, Michael.
I don't believe it. Hanging on with a death grip.
Please don't fall. Please don't fall. He has been here before, and he knows what he needs to do.
DDT! Oh, my.
Uh-oh.
That one's scouted. Wow, what a pump kick. He turns it around. Taking off from the ropes.
Really just laying it in.
Headed to the top rope. From the top. Nobody home.
Fought off with an elbow.
Elbow smash. Oh, impressive counter. Shifts it back onto him. Setting them up. This is going to be nasty. Burning him. He is just reeling from that offense.
I have no idea how anyone can climb a ladder in this condition, let alone do anything else they need to win this match.
Lifted off the mat, suplex position. Oh my goodness, what a pile driver. Just a few steps away from victory now.
I think it's going to happen. This opportunity is his for the taking.
One good pull wins this thing.
And a new champion is officially crowned. These gentlemen get after it. Here are the highlights.
Here is your winner, and the new WWE Champion, the Blueprint.
Truly a huge win for this super
definitely a night to celebrate, but let's not lose sight of the fact they have a long road ahead of them now. At least, if they're lucky.
Oh, come on, Corey. Don't be such a party pooper. We've got a new champion.
Searching for